Hey heat printers, and welcome back to the Transfer Express YouTube channel. I'm Mia, and today we're talking about one of the most exciting parts of your heat printing journey, turning your hobby into a real e-commerce business. If you've been making shirts for friends, local teams, or small pop-ups and you're ready to start selling online, then this video is for you. I'll walk you through how to build your brand, set up your online stores, how to price and organize your products, and how Transfer Express makes it super easy to grow from side hustle to full-time business. So grab your notebooks because we're turning your passion into profit. First things first, before you start your online store, you have to start thinking like a business owner. When you start treating your craft as a business, you plan differently, price differently, and start making smarter decisions. You're ready to start a brand, not just sell one-off shirts. This is where the fun begins because selling online opens up a whole new level of opportunity. Before you start your store, you need a brand that people can recognize and trust. Your brand is more than just your logo. It's your voice, your message, and the experience that customers have when they shop with you. Here's a quick checklist. First, you'll want to choose a name that sticks. Make sure it's simple, memorable, and relevant to the products that you sell. Next up, you'll want to create a simple logo. You can use tools like Canva, Illustrator, or hire a freelancer if you want something more advanced. Decide on your product niche. Do you want to focus on spirit wear, trendy fashion, or personalized gifts? You'll want to pick 1 to 2 categories to start off strong. Then it's time to plan your first product line. Start small, choose 3 to 5 staple designs that really showcase your style. And the best part, with Transfer Express, you can press on demand, so you don't have to buy hundreds of blanks and transfers up front. Now let's talk about the tech side, how to actually get your online store. You have a few great options depending on your goals and comfort level. First up is marketplaces. These are perfect if you want to get started quickly and reach built-in audiences. Etsy, for example, is great for custom or creative products. The downside is platform fees and competition, but it's still a great way to test out your ideas. Option 2 is your own website. If you want full control of your brand, building a website is the way to go. You can customize your layout, create collections, and build your own customer list. Shopify is one of the easiest platforms for apparel sellers because it integrates with print-on-demand tools and supports shipping automation. If you're not ready for a full storefront yet, you can actually sell right from Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or TikTok Shop. You can post your products, let customers DM you to order, and upgrade to a full website when you're ready. This is a great way to test designs before investing in a full e-commerce setup. When you're selling online, you want products that photograph well, ship easily, and offer variety without complicating your workflow. Here are a few starting points. Everyday tees with goof-proof transfers are perfect for affordable and durable designs. Premium hoodies with goof-proof premium transfers elevate your store with retail quality products. Tote bags and accessories with puff transfers give you fun texture and are great add-on products. The key is consistency. You'll want to use similar colors, fonts, and design styles so that your collection feels cohesive. And remember, you don't have to print everything ahead of time. Press to order. That's the beauty of heat printing. Once your store is up, your pricing strategy will determine whether you're making money or just breaking even. Start by knowing your true costs. That means your blanks, your transfers, your packaging, and your time. Then aim for at least a 50 to 60% profit margin. Here are a few examples. If you have a t-shirt using a goof-proof transfer that costs $7 to make, your suggested price would be $22, meaning you have a profit of $15. Let's say a hoodie using goof-proof premium costs $15 to make, you sell it for $45, that means you have a profit of $30. And if you have a tote using puff transfer that costs $6 to make, you'll sell it for $20, meaning you have a profit of $14. You can also offer bundles like matching sets or buy 2 get 1 deals. This is a great way to increase your average order value without extra production time. Once your store is live, it's time to spread the word. So here are a few simple marketing tips to get your first sales. Post your process. People love seeing behind the scenes videos of pressing and packaging. Use social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Show your designs in real life, how they look worn, not just mock-ups. You can also collaborate with locals or micro-influencers. Send them samples and let them tag your shop for more visibility. Another great marketing practice is to offer limited drops. Seasonal or themed collections create urgency and excitement. And don't forget to take advantage of your repeat customers. Add a thank you card in their box with a discount code for the next order. The best part about starting your online store and utilizing Transfer Express is that you never start from scratch. You get ready to use templates in our Easy View online designer to create professional artwork fast, low minimum orders so you can test new designs without wasting money, fast turnaround so your online customers get their orders quickly, and educational resources like this one so that you're never left guessing. Transfer Express gives you the tools to look professional, stay efficient, and grow confidently, even if this is your first rodeo. And that's how you go from hobby to full-blown e-commerce store by partnering with Transfer Express. You've already got the creativity. Now you have the process, the pricing, and the tools to turn it into profit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, turn on the bell notification so that you never miss an upload from us, and visit transferexpress.com to start building out your first product line today. Until next time, happy heat printing!